In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a workspace in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or you're already using it and just need to join another workspace for a new team or project, the process is pretty straightforward once you've seen it done. I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, there are a couple of ways you can join a Slack workspace. The most common is by email invitation. If someone on your team has invited you, you'll receive an email from Slack with a button that says something like, "Join now." Clicking that button will open your browser, guide you through creating or signing into your Slack account, and then drop you directly into that workspace. If you don't have that email handy, you can also sign in directly by going to Slack's sign-in page in your browser. Use the same work email address that your team uses in Slack. Once you're signed in, Slack will show you any active invitations associated with that email, and you can accept them there. Now, let's look at how to add a workspace from inside the Slack app, which is really useful if you're already using Slack for another team. On the desktop app, look over to the left-hand sidebar where your current workspaces appear. At the bottom of that list, you'll see an option to add a workspace. Click on that. A small menu will open with a few choices. Since we want to connect to another existing workspace, choose the option that says Sign in to another workspace. This tells Slack that you're not creating something new, you're just joining something that already exists. You'll be taken to a Slack sign-in page in your browser. Here, you'll see an option to enter your workspace's Slack URL. Every Slack workspace has its own unique web address, usually something like your company name followed by .slack.com. Go ahead and click on the field where you can type that address. Carefully enter the workspace URL you were given by your admin or team, then double-check it for spelling. When it looks correct, click on the Continue button. Slack will then prompt you to either sign in with your existing account or confirm your email address if you're not already signed in. Once you complete that sign-in, Slack will connect you to the workspace, and it will appear in your sidebar alongside any others you already use, making it easy to switch between them whenever you need.